Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel DSRL Maths YouTube channel. Today topic is, can you solve this logical puzzle? Can you solve this logical math puzzle? See, observe this pattern. Logical puzzle. Yeah. Observe. Here 4 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number given. 5 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 6-digit number given. In the third case, 6 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 4, 8, 4, 2, 8, 2. 6-digit number given. In the fourth one, 3 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to question mark. So how to solve this logical puzzle? Do you know? Can you solve this one? Yes. Observe. First of all, observe the pattern. Observe the pattern. Observe the pattern. Here 4, 6, 5. These two, take the first two numbers, that is 4 and 6, that is 24. 4, 6 ja, 24. This is it. 4 into 6, that is equal to 24. Here 5 and 7, you can take 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. Next 6 and 8, you have to take 6 8 ja 48. Got it? Next, coming to the fourth one, 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. 24. So first two digits you got it. Next, coming to the second. Next two digits you have to take. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. This is a 20. Next one, 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Third one, 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. Got it? Same as 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Right here, 12. First one, 24. Second one, 12. You got it. 4 digits you got it. Next. So what about of the last 2 digits? How you will get it? So very good. Yeah. 24 plus 20, that is equal to 44. Here middle number is there, that is a 6. You can subtract 44 minus 6, that is equal to 38. 44 minus 6, that is equal to 38. same as 35 plus 30, that is equal to 65. So in the middle number you can subtract, that is minus 7. 65 minus 7, that is equal to 58. Same as 48 plus 42, that is equal to 90. Subtract the middle number, 90 minus 8, that is equal to 82. This one. Same as 24 plus 12, that is equal to 36. Subtract middle number, 8. 36 minus 8, 28. So what is the correct answer? 24, 12, 28. 241228 is the correct answer for this logical maths puzzle. Those who are seeing the first time, please subscribe DSRL Maths YouTube channel and please share this video to all the students, and thank you very much.